Good morning. It's 8:27. No, it's not. It's 8:07, and it's July 27th. That's where I was getting it from. But we're at the at Food Line picking up some groceries. So getting started off okay. Okay, it's 11:36 update time. I got some stuff started. Ran out of string and ran out of battery. So I'm gonna kind of show you what we got. Blew this, obviously. Haven't sawed anything down yet, but I did some weed eating and did some weed eating and a little bit of hedge trimming, and the battery died. So I just decided to leaf blow a little bit. So spider webs everywhere. Saw these little holes. Oh, right there. A little hole there. Another one right there. I'm not sure what they are. What they're for. Maybe they were a tree at one point and it rotted out. Seems possible, I suppose, but unlikely. But yeah, I got a little bit done. I think I want to get some more string and switch out batteries and continue on this just a little bit more before I go mow. Starting to get warm. I feel like there's something in my pants like biting me, but I keep looking and there's nothing there, so I don't know what that is about. More of those holes. I mean, see, we're really close to that person's house right there. I mean, this is my property, so I'm not really worried about it, but it's just like I didn't realize there was a house that close. It's kind of weird. Some of this needs to be hedge trimmed and maybe even weed eated one more time. I'm not sure. And jump here. This is part of the tree I've got to trim the limbs on. Yeah, I got a pretty good distance done, I think, considering I hadn't really been at it that long. Maybe an hour, maybe. But it's more clear, and here's about where it died. As you could probably tell. That's where it died. So, anyway, we're gonna walk to get the stuff and go back at it one more time. And I don't know how I want to do this. I don't know if I want to just get this done and then go mow, or or what. I haven't really decided yet. So we're not sure. Not sure. So we're just going to go back out as soon as I can find out. Really? Okay. Thought I was going out. I guess I'm not yet. Should just cut over there. Okay, there we are. Alright, so that's what we're doing at the moment at around 11:30 in the morning. Also, I need to go to the bank today and maybe get some other things handled. I'm not sure. So I don't know. Got a full plate today. A little ambitious try to get all this stuff done, but we're gonna give it a go. I've already used the skid steer to kind of clean up some of those grassy overhangs that you saw yesterday. So that was already been done. So that's why it's so late, I think. Okay, update time. It is 3 o'clock almost. 2:53. I had some water. So we're gonna see how it looks. I think I've got it mostly done. I've got let's see. Have a nice trip. I've got to figure out something about the creek crossing. I mean, I could cross that on a dirt bike, no problem, but I don't want to mess up the creek. So we're just gonna make a bridge or use a pallet or something, 2 pallets. That's really all I gotta do now. That and maybe leaf blow just a little bit more. My battery started dying, but I think it's okay. That's why I'm checking this now. So let's see here. Oh, it's warm. It's crazy how close to houses and the road I am right now. It's weird. I keep hearing cars and people. I'm just like, oh, what? Okay. And it's warm. See this part here, it's not really super great, but we can make it work. So got a couple extra lines in case you're bored, want to go a different way. But like right here is a split. I didn't take that tree out because I like the split. I may take it out later. Didn't take this tree out either. That was a workout. It was a workout. Sorry, I had a rock in the way. Get out of the way. Okay. It's a lot more clear through here. I could always take out more trees. I can't put them back. So I left probably more than I would have, but like through here is a little tight, but it's not too bad. And this is where the little bridgey will be. And a little bridgey. So I think it looks pretty fun. I think. Be a nice alternative when it's really dry and the track's hard as concrete. Just ride this because it won't be near as bad. Plus it's in the shade. It is kind of swampy through here. A little bit anyway, naturally. There's our pipe. And this completes the loop. It's not huge, but it's big enough. And then you can exit toward the skid steer or make a left and do it again. Or exit through the skid steer. Through the skid steer, toward the skid steer. Okay, let's get these bushes out of the way. Okay. Alright, so now we may mow. I don't know. Okay. 8:30 at night. Woo. I haven't eaten yet. So I'm a little hangry. Got a pizza in the oven right now. But got the yard mowed. I don't know how I got it done, but I got it done. Also, speaking of pain in the butts, I got Supermoto loaded up. Now, the downside to this is that hits right there. It's just a front brake. I don't really need it, do I? Because these wheels are smaller than a dirt bike, like smaller diameter, so it drops down lower and smacks it. I had to kind of put it at an angle, a little bit of lean, a little bit of a lean to it because of that peg. Now, what I don't know, see, this thing is like, does it look like it's bowed down to you? It sure looks like it's bowed down to me. I mean, it's metal, I don't know. So, I don't know, I don't feel warm and fuzzy about it. See, I got to use that extension because of the spare tire. I think if I could put it into the actual hitch, it wouldn't be that big a deal. Or if I drilled like another hole, like right there, and I could slide this through that. But physics wasn't my strong suit, but that just doesn't logically make sense to me. That's smart. So, that being said, I think I've had a little change of plans because it's awful rocky, but it's rocking on the thing. I was going to drive this to counseling, then the gym, and then race over to drop it off. But I don't really know that I feel comfortable driving that far with it like that. I tell you, this hitch has been, that's why I don't go nowhere. I should have just got my brother's trailer. That's what I should have done. Just pulled it on the trailer, but I don't much like it on this Jeep. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. I think I'm gonna just take the Ernesto to my 2 appointments and then just rush back here and then rush over there. I don't know. Seems like a good idea. Now I'm not sure. But yeah, I got all this mowed. Oh, look at the red moon. Can you see it? Red. I'll hold it here in case I want to fix it in post where you can see it. And a bat just flew by. Super cool. I really thought I'd get to ride today. I really did. But I'm glad I went ahead and put the Supermoto on there because I don't know. I mean, the Dodge place is not very far from here. So it will probably be more than okay going to the Dodge place. Now the question is, will I be able to get it off the stand? I don't know if I will or not. So, I don't know. Then I got to ride it back. So, I guess if it works, then I don't know. But the grass was thick. My blades are dull. Took forever, feels like. I didn't really mow that long. No longer than usual, but I didn't weed eat and I didn't push mow. But, yeah, I don't know. I need to eat because I am beyond hungry at this point. I did have a coffee this morning, so I guess that counts. So, I don't know. But anyway, today we got the loop completed and almost ready to ride. I just need to make a little bridge. Ooh, speaking of, I need to look at something before it gets dark. Make a little bridge, and then it'll be ready. I also got the yard mowed, which was kind of a bear, and I got the food line picked up, my groceries, and I got the Supermoto stand and the bike on the stand. So I feel like I kind of got some things done. I wasn't anticipating mowing having to take so long. It looks kind of crappy, I think. Let's see if I can go in here. I had a thing. Let's see if I still do. Yes, I do. Okay, so see, look. This thing. Oh, you can't see nothing. There we go. I feel pretty certain that I could use that. Just like cut it down a little bit. And I don't know if it was a pin or something. I don't know what it was. But I think it would hold a dirt bike. It should. It's petrified wood right now. I could just cut it right in the middle. And actually, I could probably just cut a section off of it and it would work. So, yeah, that's one we'll use, I think, for my little bridge. Because I think it'll be easier to carry than a pallet. Because a pallet down there is going to be terrible. Okay, well, let's go eat. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow we got the council at 9. Gym at 10:15. Drop the Jeep off at 11. So, and I don't know what time I got to pick it up. So, we'll just have to kind of see. Friend's working tomorrow, so she can't take me. And I'm curious as what this is. Like a little line, a little zigzagger. Huh, I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to eat pizza. Bye.